Hi friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how to help yourself and your friends if your account is freezed because of any cyber complaint wherein you are not at all involved. So guys, first let me tell you that how cyber law works. So consider there is one person X who has been duped by person Y and has asked X to deposit an amount of rupees 2 lakhs in his account and has financially duped Mr. X. So in those circumstances, if Mr. X is making a cyber complaint by either of the platforms which I have informed you earlier, in those circumstances, a complaint will be issued, one acknowledgement number. As we say when we talk about IPC and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, it is called FIR number. But in cyber, we call it acknowledgement number. So, acknowledgement number will be issued, upon which there will be various accounts which will be freezed as part of being beneficiary accounts. So, any person from whose account the amount has been transferred to Y and from Y to layer 2, that is maybe your or my account, or layer 3 which can be your any of your friends' account, those account can be freezed or lien marked because the said amount received by Mr. Y was the outcome of any particular cyber theft done by him. So in those circumstances, firstly you should ask your bank officials to provide you the data. Again, if your bank is not coordinating, your account is your asset. You have all the right to know from where your account has been freezed. You may give it by mail, or you can also give them a written application to provide you the data that from where your account has been freezed and the reasons behind the same. So once they provide you the details, you should coordinate with the local jurisdiction, court or the police station seeking help to avail more data. So further, how to go ahead with the unfreezing of the account, please stay tuned to our next video. Thank you.